Want to personalize your BingX account? Changing your profile picture in 2026 only takes a minute and helps make your account easier to recognize. Open the BingX app and sign into your account. Next, tap your profile icon in the top corner of the screen and open Profile Settings or Personal Information. Look for your current profile picture or avatar and tap Edit, Change Photo, or the camera icon. Choose whether you want to upload a new image from your gallery or take a new photo using your device's camera. Adjust or crop the image if necessary, then confirm and save your changes. If your app version or region does not support profile picture uploads, BingX may only allow default avatars or automatically generated profile images. Once saved, your new profile picture should appear across your BingX profile and social trading features, if applicable. And that's how you can change your profile picture on BingX in 2026. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more BingX tutorials and crypto trading guides.